Welcome to Expert Technologies. The expert way of learning allows people to learn the course at their own speed, meaning that they can focus on topics which they find challenging and breeze past the topics that they are proficient in. Our goal is to enhance your learning experience with greater efficiency. Let's talk about a course in high demand: AWS, Amazon Web Services. Why is this the best time to learn AWS to progress your career? AWS is used by 80% of Fortune 500 companies, and the demand for AWS skills is growing year after year. Expert Technologies has custom designed a self-paced AWS course with real-time content, which helps you to better place in the highly competitive job market. Let's see more details about the course in the following animation video.
AWS has customers from more than 190 countries, out of which around 5,000 are education institutions, 2,000 are government agencies, and 17,500 are nonprofit organizations. Millions of customers use AWS to run their applications, ranging from fastest-growing startups to the largest companies in the world like Reddit, Expedia, Netflix, and NSA. Also, 31% of cloud infrastructure as a service of the market is owned by AWS. AWS offers a wide range of services, right from infrastructure technologies like compute and storage to emerging technologies like machine learning and artificial intelligence. AWS is the main profit driver for Amazon, and in 2020, it broke the record of being a $10 billion business. Companies like Metro, Plus, Health, Just Eat Takeaway, and Carbon Lighthouse are among the few companies who experienced a massive growth in their business in 2020 during the COVID-19 pandemic, just by using the services offered by AWS. Isn't that amazing? The demand for AWS has increased rapidly in the last few years and will keep increasing in the coming days. People looking for great career opportunities can benefit a lot by doing a certification course in AWS. AWS offers over 200 fully featured services, and is also the only cloud provider that offers the highest number of services and respective features.
Hope going forward you will enjoy this AWS course. Never stop learning.